So in today's video, I'm doing this makeup look right here. It's my take on the Instagram model slash Instagram gorgeous people posting gorgeous pictures. It's a beautiful, flawless skin with big lashes and a nice lip, a neutral lip and a neutral eye look with lots of blush. So I really like it. And I just wanted to come on here and feel a little bit better about this whole thing that's been going on. And I feel like I'm at a point where I don't know how to process anything anymore. I'm sure everyone else, and if not everyone else, but most of you guys are in the same position as me. But you know what? Like, we just got to look at the bright side. And I'm looking at the bright side by listening to the birds chirping outside. To be honest, I'm really enjoying this time. And I like the little break that I'm getting because of this. But I mean, again, like, the reality is that it sucks outside. But anyways, this is my take on the Instagram baddie Instagram model look. I love it, and I'm gonna go take some pictures now. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. Milani is one of my favorite makeup brands from the drugstore. So by no means am I like a makeup artist. I'm not. I just like makeup, and I like making videos. So, well, before I start getting trolled, which so far no one's really ever said anything mean to me, which is so sweet. But before that starts happening, I'm just saying that by no means am I a makeup artist. I just like putting makeup on, and I like making videos, and I like looking at myself in a camera. That's really why I like doing this. And it's just another great creative outlet for me besides interior design. So for today's makeup look, these are my 3 favorite MAC eyeshadows that I've been using. And that's what I'm going to be using today to create my Instagram look. So it's in the shades Espresso, Brown Script, and Saddle. I'm going to list everything down below. Don't worry. So the first shade that I like to go in with is Saddle because it's the lightest. And I just take a really nice buffing brush and I go straight in. Okay, see, like, all these palettes that I've been getting in the mail and everything, nothing compares to like a nice pigmented eyeshadow, which I feel like it's so hard to find now. Okay, so another thing about eyeshadows and eye makeups, I think the thing that I struggle most with makeup is eyeshadows, and I don't know how to do them properly, but I'm just trying my best here. Yeah, so the Instagram look is pretty neutral but still full coverage. So next I'm going in with a really nice all over eyeshadow brush from Quo, and I'm going in with my Brown Script shade, and use a smaller brush and go in with the shade Espresso. And this just gives it a really nice, like, elongated look right here. Oh my gosh, guys, there was like no fallout whatsoever. That's the thing. That's the thing. Good makeup won't give you fallout. But if I put too much eyeshadow like all over my lid and everything, it just looked like I just got punched in the face. So the next thing I'm going to do is just going to go in with a flat brush and my favorite highlighter from Milani, and just like And I have a really small forehead anyways, but I still like to do like a little bit. And I'm really enjoying doing my nose. Although I love my nose too. I don't really have a problem with my nose either, but I just don't know how to react to this anymore. Like in the beginning, I'm gonna start a journal. Starting today, I'm gonna really start a journal because this is really an event going down in history, and I feel like my kids in the future, if and when I do get married, I don't know. I just don't know how to react to this whole thing. I don't understand it. I hate watching the news. So one of my best friends is in Milan. I mean, she's super healthy, nothing's gonna happen to her, but all the stories like that I hear from her, and okay, I'm gonna quickly go put on my eyelashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so while the eyelashes dry, we'll move on to the rest of the face. Look how nice this blushes. Oh, I'm loving it. So this is a full face, guys. We have a full face of feeling all kinds of good. And then the Too Faced Melted Matte and Sell Out. These were my two favorite combinations that I like to use. So I dabbed the Anastasia just a little bit. Like I said, I'm gonna chat with my friend in Milan a little bit later today. We're gonna FaceTime because I miss her. But like it feels good. It's like a mini vacation, and it's like I can't complain. Like I'm healthy and my family is okay and everything, so I can't complain. But I feel so bad for all the older people who have been going through whatever they're going through. So in my next video, I'll probably talk about it a little bit more and probably make a lot more sense than what I am right now, because I feel like by that time I would have gathered enough information to like sort of educate myself and like really understand what's going on out there and then form an opinion. But so far all I know is that it comes from China. That's what I know. It comes from China.
Why do you keep calling this the Chinese virus? It says ethnicity does not cause the virus. Why do you keep using this? A lot of people say it's racist.
It's not racist at all. No, not at all. It comes from China.
Okay, so I'm gonna go take some pictures now, but leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know every time I upload. But if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know every time I upload anyways, because I always have that swipe up link on my stories to all of my videos. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.